Super small guy right there. I don't know if I've told you guys. I don't think I have, but I really cleaned up these crepe myrtles. It had some bark scale on it, and the way that I ended up getting the bark scale off of here was just taking a bucket of soapy water, and just running it along the limbs of this crepe myrtle, and that's what did it. Now, it was pretty tedious, but it cleaned it up really nice. I just took a sponge and went over all of these small chunks right here, and it looks so much better. But I also wanted to let you guys know that after it dried, a couple days after it dried, I did spray it with a product called BioAdvanced Insect, Disease, and Mite Control, just to kind of help maintain the health of this crepe myrtle. And it has so far. It looks so much better. Now, I've seen some guys on here on YouTube saying that they spray it with the water hose to get the bark scale off. I didn't do that. This is what I did. It seems to be working fine so far. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Have a good day.